Alright, let us now find out how to apply borders and shading. You can enhance the appearance of a table by applying a variety of borders and shading styles. To add borders and shading, follow the given steps. Select the entire table by clicking on the Table Move handle. Click on Design tab. Change the line style and line width by clicking the dialog box launcher button of the Draw Borders group. Or click on the drop-down arrow next to the Borders button and select the Borders and Shading option from the list. The Borders and Shading dialog box appears. Choose the All option. Select the color from the Color drop-down menu. Likewise, you can select the thickness of the border.
Click on Apply to text box and select Table option from the drop-down list.
To give color effects to your table, click on the Shading tab. Click on the drop-down arrow under the Fill section. The color palette is displayed. Choose any shade. Click OK. Notice the change in the appearance of this table. Let's now learn how to resize tables. You can increase or decrease the size of a table manually by using Table Resize handle. But Word also offers ready-made solutions to resize the table. Resizing of a table can be done by Auto Fit option that offers flexibility to automatically resize the column width based on the size of the text in them and set the table width based on the window size. You can even convert it back to setting fixed width of columns.
Click on Auto Fit button in the Cell Size group on the Layout tab.
The Auto Fit drop-down menu displays three options as shown in the figure. Auto Fit contents. It adjusts the column width according to the data entered.
Auto Fit window. Selecting this option will adjust the table according to the margins set on a window. Fixed column width. The column gets fixed and the text is wrapped in the same cell.
Let me give you a few tips. When you click on a table, you notice a plus sign at the upper left corner. This is called Table Move handle, which is used to move a table. A small hollow square at the bottom right corner of the table is
called Table Resize handle.
This handle is used to change the size of the table. Okay, now let us talk about calculations in a table.
You can perform calculations on the numeric data entered in a table. Select the Layout tab. Click in the cell where the result is to be displayed.
Select the Formula button in the Data group. The Formula dialog box appears.
Note that the sum formula is already displayed.
Click OK. The result appears in the selected cell. Student, let me share an important tip with you. By default, Microsoft Word calculates the sum of values in the cells lying in the column above or in the row to the left of the cursor. Now let's talk about updating calculations in a table. Sometimes you may change the data or add any new data in a table. Word provides the facility to update the changes. To update the total sum in a table, select any cell and change its data. Now select the data of the cell where the total sum is displayed. Press F9 key and observe that Microsoft Word automatically updated the calculations. Okay students, let us take a recap of this chapter. Word offers a flexible feature to present data in a tabular form consisting of rows and columns. There are various ways to insert a table in a document. Insert tab, then go to Table button, then go to Select the number of columns and rows using grid. Insert tab, then go to Table button, then go to Insert Table option, then Draw Table option or Quickly Tables option. Table styles is an inbuilt facility to change the appearance, color and border of a table. Splitting a cell means dividing the selected cell into separate cells. Combining two or more cells into a single cell is called merging. The table move handle and table resize handle are used to move and resize the entire table respectively.